Hello everyone and welcome to episode 9 on how to make Five Nights at Freddy's 2 inside of Scratch. In today's episode we're going to be setting up the battery, and that should be good. So starting off with, let's make a new sprite, calling it battery. Now there's a few things that we do need for this costume, so let's upload FNAF 2 textures. The Office Nights and menu, Office utilities, no. Office Nights and menu. Monitors and cameras, battery. There we go. So it's in monitors and cameras. Okay, so we have these. I'm gonna call this 4 because the 4 bars. 3, 2, 1, and then 0. And I'm gonna grab my bucket tool, change the fill mode to no fill. And I'm just going to delete all of the black parts. Just like that. Okay. So now we have that, we need to start the code. So starting off with, we need a when flag is clicked, we hide it. And then when I receive, start game, we go to the front layer and we switch costume to 4, and we go to X minus 190 and then Y 141, and we show. Okay, just like that. We need some new variables. First of all, we'll make a variable calling it power, and to start the game we'll set power to 100, not 1000, 100, just like that. So now when I receive left light, let's change power by minus 0.5, and then when I receive right light, change it by minus 0.5 as well. Now go to the office, and when we press the space key we need to broadcast. Okay, delete that. Okay, so we broadcast a new message right here, calling it hallway light. I don't know if I've already done that or not, but just broadcast that message just there. And then back in the battery, let's right click and duplicate this, hallway light, and we also change it by the same amount of power. Okay, simple as that. So let's make a new variable. I'm going to call this one no power. When the game starts, let's set no power to 0, just like that. And then here, let's add a new when I receive start game. Let's set final power. Oh no, sorry. That's my fault. That's something else that we might do. I don't think we will though. Wait until equals power is equal to 75, and we switch costume to 3, right click duplicate, wait until power is equal to 50, and we switch costume to costume 2, right click duplicate, wait until power is equal to 25, switch costume to 1, and then wait until power is equal to 5, and then switch costume to 0, and then this goes until it's like kind of flashing state. So let's repeat until power is equal to 0. And then we starting off with a show, wait 1 second, hide, and then wait another 1 second. Just like that. Okay. And then we set, after that we set no power to 1. Okay, so in the office, we need to make it so we can't use the light if we have no power. So let's go here. Before all of this, if final power, well, not final power, that's a different variable which we don't need. If no power is equal to 0, then we do all this. And let's make this an if else, and let's start sound error, because if there's an error, and we need to make sure we add a wait until here, wait until key space is pressed, and if, yeah, just like that, wait until key space is pressed. And then inside of here we need a new sound, so let's upload FNAF 2 textures, FNAF 2 audio. We're looking for something called buzz light. There we go. And then we start sound buzz light here after switching costume, and we also set the volume to 100%, and then here we set the volume to 0%. Okay, and then where's our buttons? Here we go. So where we have these right lights, let's drag these. Oh, actually, we have enough space. So let's do an if else here. If if no power is equal to 1, or sorry, equal to 0, then we start do that, and then we also need to, and then else we start sound error. And let's just duplicate this and put that in there. So it does the same for the right light. Do we have audio playing the left button? No, we don't. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we have the battery set up now. So okay, let's start the game, and let's see if this is working. So if we have our, look at our battery here, there it is. Let's show our power variable, and let's just make sure that it is going down with the input. So as you can see, it is changing as we use the lights, which is good. That's good. So let's get down to, what is it, 75% power. So let's just kind of click some of these buttons. There we go. So we've gone to 75% power, and then this is changed by 1 bar. Now let's get down to, I think, 50. Or we can actually, just to make this quicker, I'm going to go to the battery and I'm going to set the power to 50. That's working. Let's set it to 25. That's working. Let's set it to 5. And that's working, and now it should be blinking. Yeah, I think I made that blink a little faster. Let's make it weight 0.7. 0.7. Yeah, there we go. And then let's use all of our power up. And it's hidden, and we can't use any more lights. So that's working. So in the next episode, we're going to be setting up the clock, and so that indicates when the night is over, pretty much. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.